Hello there, I'm Tukustu Zariun. This is my channel. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue the lesson with one for file extension. A computer has many different types of files on it. It can be picture, it can be audio, video, animation, and other types. And each one has its own file extension. Every file, whether it's video or audio, have their own extension name. What an extension name is? It is a 3 or 4 character after a dot after a file name. A file extension is a 3 or 4 letter identifier found at the end of file name being followed by a period. We may not see after dot the extension name. Sometimes it may be hidden, but we can make it shown, and we can use property, and we can view the file's extension name. How can we? You'll see. Let me show you. How can we see any files extension name? A folder have an extension name. For instance, here are some pictures. Right click, then properties. Here, the type of file is PNG under parenthesis .png. Therefore, the extension name is after .png. The file name is copying file. Type of file is PNG file, portable network graphics type, picture. Therefore, the extension name is .png under parenthesis. You can see such like this, the extension name for any file. Here it says examples of file extensions. An image uses .jpg or jpg for characters. A Word document uses .docx extension. Possible to see under properties, the same to have demonstrated you before. An audio files uses .mp3 extension. Typically we say mp3, but it is an extension name, not a file name. For instance, song.mp3. Song is a file name, mp3 is the extension name. An Excel spreadsheet uses .xlsx. How many characters? 4 characters after quote. Or before 2010 version, .xls 3 characters. Starting from 2010 version, 4 characters. Word, Excel, Microsoft Office in general package have 4 characters of extension names. File extensions are used by an operating system to identify the application. Based on the operating system, again, it varies from the extension name. For instance, an operating system for Windows, it uses 3 or 4 characters. In Unix, it is unlimited. In case of DOS, it is 3 characters after DOS. When you say an operating system, it is a software program required to manage and operate computing devices like smartphones, tablets, computers, and supercomputers. This type of all devices, they may use variety of operating softwares. For instance, the Windows is used by microcomputers, Unix, Linux, DOS, Android for mobiles. It says Windows is developed by Microsoft Corporation to run personal computer PCs. It featured the first graphical user interface for IBM compatible PCs, it says. Starting from the fourth generation, starting from 1971, people use Windows operating system thanks to the technology. It uses mouse. By pointing objects, we can interact with the computer easily. Before 1971, only keyboards were used. That may be difficult, especially for beginners. We are using only words to operate with the computer. For instance, let me show you here. There is a DOS command, CMD, disk operating system. In case of DOS, you will not use mouse. For instance, if I want to create a directory or folder, I use command md, then file name 10, grade 10. Grade 10 is a file, I mean a directory. enter. To display whether it is created or not, I will use the command here. Here, 10 grade 10 is already created. How can we start a program? Start, the command start. Then for instance, calc, enter. It starts the program calculator. How you see? All things are used by words. It may be difficult to interact with the computer system. We may forget the commands. In Unix is a multitasking multi-user computer operating system. A computer-based operation has been constantly updated since the invention of Unix. Linux is an open source operating system. The other type of operating system, open source, it can be modified over the internet. DOS is a part of a computer operating system that controls and manages files stored on a disk. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. I have shown you before, command prompt is used by only keyboards. Therefore, DOS is used the command line interface. Windows uses a graphical interface. In case of Windows, we use mouses to interact with the computer. In case of DOS, we use only keyboard to interact with the computer. When you come to Android, is a mobile operating system based on a mobile version of the Linux kernel. Any mobiles, I mean mostly today's generation mobiles have Android version. Their operating system is Android. It is the backbone of any computer system. It is the backbone of mobile here also. Windows is the backbone of Windows operating system is the backbone of computer. Here, Android is the backbone of a mobile. File name extension and length vary according to the type of operating systems. For instance, in Unix operating system, which is command-based operating system, a file extension is optional. That means unlimited. In Linux and Windows operating system, a file extension is a requirement. We have to use. In Windows, there is 3 or 4 characters. What about DOS? DOS uses only 3 characters after dot. A file name extension is a suffix added to the name of a computer file to indicate the encoding convention or file format of its content. It is a convention that we use after a file name, after dot. For instance, .txt, it is a notepad file. .docx or doc, it is a Word file. Before Windows 10, it is doc. Starting from Windows 10 version, docx. RTF, a Word document, WordPad document. PDF, portable or printable digital file. That is a file opened with Acrobat Reader. Textbooks are opened with Adobe Acrobat Reader. They uses the extension name PDF. PPT, a file prepared in PowerPoint. XLS, a file prepared in Excel. .mdb is a file created in Microsoft Access. .zip or .rar, it is a software that helps to compress our files, and a file is a compressed file or a zipped file type. .exe, a runnable file or setup file. A program file, a program's extension in Windows operating system is .exe. In mobile, .app. .mp3, it is an audio file that played with Windows Media Player and other related. WAV, it is a computer-based extension file. It is sound-based or audio file. That's all for today. Thank you. Try to support me by subscribing my channel. Until then, thank you.